Create the highest, grandest vision possible for your life.
Mojo vibes.
Because you become what you believe.
Rhythm down so.
Start off with a small box.
Somehow inside myself and the spirit of myself, that although this was segregated Mississippi and I was colored and female, that my life could be bigger, greater than what I saw. If you were to ask me what is the secret to my success, it is because I understand that there is a power. If you can be still long enough, the good times, the hard times, to connect yourself to the source. I call it God. You can call it whatever you want to, the force, nature, Allah, the power. If you can connect yourself to the source and allow the energy that is your personality, your life force, to be connected to the greater force, anything is possible for you. I am proof of that. What we all want is to be able to live out the truest, highest expression of ourselves as a human being. That doesn't end until you take your last breath. What is the truest, highest vision that you hold for yourself? We like to think that these great philanthropic moments are the ones that leave the impact or will make the huge difference in the world. But it's really what you do every day. It's how you use your life to be a light to somebody else's, you know, and it's how you use your work as an expression of your own art, whatever that is. Because your legacy is every life you touch. Recognizing that I had the instinct, that the inner voice that told me that you need to try to find a way to answer to your own truth was the voice I needed to be still and listen to.
Hello everybody, and a special good evening to the Good Body Gallem and the Good Body Gallem only. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the 24th day of Vlogmas. I have some work to do. We drove up and I was still editing yesterday's vlog, but it's looking so good, so I really can't wait for you guys to see it. So if you're seeing this vlog, Vlogmas 23 should be up, so go ahead and check that out. I'll have it linked up here in the cards or in the description below. I still have some work to do, so I'm gonna go. However, I just wanted to show you guys like the festivities that is currently happening right here. It was Paul in the background, but the Christmas tree is lit up, and you guys, there's like presents almost like under the table. Like this poor little ass tree compared to the amount of presents that surround it. Like, you guys, look, you guys. Oh my god, I see my name on a few of these and I'm so excited for tomorrow, but it's crazy.
So Paul, I don't know if you remember, but the last time for Thanksgiving we were here, you asked me if I could make you something.
Yeah.
You remember what you asked me to make?
You know, you don't remember what you said to you last night or yesterday or this morning.
It's a drink that you asked her to make.
What kind of drink?
You asked me to make you coquito.
Oh, coquito! Oh.
So I made you your own.
Paul, who do you think has the most presents under this tree?
You.
Let's go for a vote. Jessica, me?
You.
Okay, baby, who do you think has the most?
We already know the answer.
You. Mom, who do you think has the most presents under the tree?
I don't think anybody
Me?
can compete with
You. Mikey, who do you think has the most presents under the tree?
You, Naomi.
Clayton, who do you think has the most presents under the tree? Me? And I get to vote. Naomi, who do you think has the most presents under the tree? Me!
Melissa have more. Melissa go to straighten up. Naomi.
Did you get me a gift, Clayton? You better. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. I feel the love. I feel the love, that's all. I feel all the love. Melissa is setting up the bar as usual.
Tomorrow, we just have to give everybody them gifts.
Yeah.
And then take a picture with everybody gift and then open them.
Yeah.
Because this is like what we did last year. We not done our dinner time. We done
From like last year, hold on.
unwrap gift.
Yes. Took up the entire morning. So I think this is a good idea. We're just gonna share out everybody, get their own gift and sit with it, and then and then one by one we'll just go around and open one each. Is this from the stocking stuffers? Is it from mine?
So you put the
It's like a travel size perfume
And
carrier.
this
Cute! I needed this for my trip anyway. That's cute. Get another one? For me? But just see you come over. Me think see you give me some. Why you be so aggressive to me? What did I do to you? Oh. You get your own shower cap, baby. Huh? You get your own shower cap.
He got stuck only once, for a moment or two. Then he stuck his head out of the fireplace flue.
We caught you sleeping.
No, what's up?
Yeah, we caught you sleeping. It's on camera.
I was just closing my
We caught you sleeping.
testing it.
And I'm sure she's the one who suggested this movie. She's the one. She's been wanting to watch The Grinch. How you suggest a movie then fall asleep? That makes no sense.
See, I got her up, see?
Okay, you guys, let me get Melissa's pajamas and stuff because, as you guys know, I'm the one that packs for us. Just going to get her pajamas ready. My mom requested that we wear our Christmas pajamas. We all are wearing something Christmas related so we can get up in the morning tomorrow morning and we're all wearing our pajamas so we can open presents and all that jazz. So I brought our Christmas pajamas. I just have to figure which one is hers. Just gotta find hers. So we have 1, 2. And then this is mine, I think. Let's see the sizes. Okay, so this is Melissa's. And then this is mine. Leave mine out as well. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you do not miss whenever I post another video. And as always, until next time, love you, bye!